Our employees are a crucial piece of meeting our 2020 targets. Without their engagement and enthusiasm, we wouldn't be unlocking the true potential of sustainability to make a positive impact on our business. We use a 2014 baseline, and our goal is to reduce the energy intensity of our products by 25% by 2020. So this is just an update for people to understand where our energy use is coming from.
Yeah, I love that. You got the significant energy users,
Yeah.
so you're showing that you're high use
Yeah.
processes. That's fantastic.
And then over here we have Microwatt. He's our renewable energy mascot, and he pops up in fun places like on light switches to remind people to turn the lights off when you leave a room and things like that. When you walk down the hall, you feel very connected to the employees and what their priorities are.
In every plant, the people has accept this as best practice, and they are all doing it, and they are very engaged.
And the high level of engagement of our employees means that they take ownership over their line, they're responsible for shutting their line down to operate things in a most energy efficient manner.
We keep track of how much waste we lose every day on the line. Each line does that. It makes you stop and think what all you need to do at home to keep the environment safe and everything.
And that employee engagement piece of it is something that I'm definitely taking back because these employees are living it. You know, Judy and other team members, they're taking it home and doing it there as well.
So we have a zero emissions goal, and that really gets the employees excited that they're part of making an extended range vehicle. And they come up with methods and objectives so that they can meet the overall target for the plant.
This month for my team specifically, we do making sure that we keep the material bins free of trash and making sure that the fans are off at the end of the day.
So do you report it into a certain structure, or is it displayed somewhere in the facility?
Well, yes, we have a board in our team room, which is the BDP board, where we display everything, and we have 6 different areas that we track daily, and some what we see fit for the goals for the month. Yeah.
What's the best energy savings idea you've ever heard of here?
At every break, we shut the lights off on the line.
Employee engagement is really key with what we do in regards to energy and sustainability, whether it's shutdowns, whether it's suggestions, whether it's recycling. Those employee engagement pieces are really key to getting done what we want to get done and to continuously improve.